Alright, traders, good day. So today is 6th of April 2020. We are now live the trading for S&P futures market. So at this moment, we did receive one buy signal to go long for a position of 2602 and target TP about 4 points ahead, which is around 26. So based on the current situation, we already in the market and the price already moved 1 points, and it was a good trade at this moment. So let's go back to the chart. So by the way, there's a link below in description, so you may find the link to join this live telegram channel. So based from the current situation, so let me check on the current position. We are about $5 or $6 in profit, or should be around normal standard account should be around $75. And based from the current situation, this is the chart. Looks is like a scalping technique for the E-Mini S&P futures during US session. So still waiting and not far from the targeted TP area, which is at another 3 more points. So the current price is 26.03. We have 3 point left to reach the highest target. Alright, let me reset it. It's not far. It was a quick one. This is based on the calculation that the market will go towards this direction. Okay. Please focus on the chart below, because the chart on the above is there for the Russell 2000. Okay, we are not far from the targeted TP area. That's why everything will be fine with targeted not much for today, maybe around 20 US dollar. Okay, seems not enough push to the higher side, but still on the positive side. And the normal account, you will receive around 87 US dollar in profit. So this is a micro account because of the current volatility of the market. The margin have been increased by the broker. So if your standard account, you already earn around 125 US dollar in profit. So now is for me 15. It's not far. So have to be with some patience, and will hit the target at any moment soon. So while waiting, I'll pause for a while. I have to go to check on the Russell 2000 chart. Alright guys, we are back. So still on the positive side, waiting for the market to reach the TP destination price target. Okay, what doesn't look good, there is a small pullback can be seen clearly at this moment from my chart here. So focus on this one. I am already queued for the stop losses, which is at 25.96. This is based from my live telegram channel. Yes, you can get this link in the description below, so feel free to click on it. So all signal is live during US session. So normally one trade per day, you will receive that during US session, starting at 10 a.m. New York time. And we have been trading with the same strategy for the past few years. Alright, so let's go back to the chart. Seen the red candle at this moment and waiting for it to go for the high. So there's quite interesting depth of market at this moment. So let's take a look if there is yes, there is a high volume waiting at 2605.50, which is around 168 161.8% of FIBO level, which is at 2605. So now we are break even or on the negative side. So I will use one chart only at this moment, since there is no signal for Russell 2000. So this is a signal for E-Mini S&P futures. So we are hoping any burst to the higher side will help to reach our TP destination, which is not far at 2606.00. Okay, now on the positive side. So if you are trading a normal account, so you should earn around 125, 135, 37, 150, 162.5, 175, 100. Okay, we hit the top. Oh, then there is a spike of the market to 2808, which is around 200% of FIBO level. So that's it for today. 200 US dollar in profit for the normal standard account. So I think that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment below. There's a link in the description. Feel free to click on it. And have a nice day. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.